Hi guys, just a quick video here to show you some of the features of your new tablets. If you open it up and go ahead and turn it on, which is this button right there, that'll actually turn the screen on and start the boot up process. On the screen right now, we have the Early Seller website, the GemVisa website, the pause screen, which you'll use a lot, store email address setup, Google Drive, calculator, and the home button. This one will take you always to the screen, so you'll be very familiar with this button going forward. So let's start with the website. All right, so everything you see here is the normal website. You can interact with it the same way that you do on the PCs themselves. So you can do searches, as we're doing right here for Monash. Okay, so we've selected Monash. If we go ahead and do search, let's touch that on the screen. There's all the results for the Monash. You can touch any of these items and bring that up. Okay. So this other tab is the GemVisa, so you can switch in between tabs however you like. All right, if you want to print this out for a customer, 3 little dots, select print. The printer is set up already on your tablet. It's the large printer in the store. Once the print is highlighted, press the button and it'll start printing up on the printer for you. All right, that is the back button that I just hit there, and that takes you back one step, or the home button, which takes you there. All right, so open up the pause screen now. Go ahead and type in your user ID, hit the go button, and then your password, and hit go again. It'll automatically go to the outlet section. Might take a second or two to pop up, but once it does, just select the store. Most people will just have one. Some staff might have multiples, like myself at the moment. All right, so select the store that you want. Just touch it, and it'll automatically go to the register. Select the back register, and it'll take you straight into pause. All right, so everything works here the same as it does on the PC itself. So for lookup, put in the user ID. And once it focuses, and this is everything that you're normally used to. All right, home button takes you back to the main screen. All right, store email. This is set up for this store itself. So for Kawana, like we have right now, it's Kawana store. Everything that you see on your desktop, email-wise, you will see in this application. If you want to send a new one, that icon right there opens up the Compose email. This is synced up to the corporate address book. So if you type in any one of the stores or users, in this instance Andrina for Kawana, it'll actually pick it up, so you don't have to type in the whole thing. Type your subject, type your message. In this case, we want to also send a picture with it. The camera on these tablets are fully enabled, so just click on the little attach icon there, select take picture. It will turn the camera on. You can use the flash if you want to. On the left hand side there, just touch that, take the picture, it'll take it, show you the preview, yes or no, okay, and then if you want to make it large, medium, or small. If you do choose just once, it'll ask you every single time. If you choose always, it'll always choose that size. Click on the send button up there and it'll send it straight away. To get rid of it, just click that X and discards it. Alright, back to the home button. Alright, Google Drive is a synchronized drive that we are now keeping all of the pause information sheets for customers. So everything that you could find on the intranet before, so the project modules, etc., they're available here. Any updates, we'll update them there. Go into a section, you just click on the one that you want. It'll actually open it up, as you can see here. So you can show the customers, go through everything. If you want to print it, three buttons, select print, select the printer there. Again, there'll only be one listed. Once the print turns white, click the button, it'll start printing. Back one, back one. All right. If you wanted to email this to a customer, click on the I. All right. And one of the options there is send file. So you'd click on that, and that'll actually open it up in an email. So you just type in the customer's email address there. All right. And any message that you wanted for that customer. Ignore the bad spelling on this, please. All right. Click on the send button. It'll send it straight to your customer. Also note that you will have a copy of this in the sent items on the PC, so you have reference for it in the back or in the future. All right, so you can see there's quite an extensive lot. So back button 1 takes you back one step again. Also, if you notice down here, there's an XLS file. We actually have XLS built, or XLS and Word and PowerPoint. Viewers, actually it's the full version, install on these tablets. So you can actually open up those, interact with them, and do what you need to. All right, home button. Again, back to the main screen. If you pull down from the top, you'll be able to see what the power level is and actually what the Wi-Fi coverage is like where you are. Be aware that some stores' Wi-Fi coverage might be a bit sketchy in some places. All right, that's a pretty quick overview of the tablet. If you have any questions or concerns, just give us a call. And there you go. There's the new tablet. Enjoy.